Hello.
Hello. Good morning, bro.
Good morning, bro. Good morning. Okay, do you practice? One second. This is your practices.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Let me check. Okay, here is a lower low was broken or not? Where is the lower low was broken? Is there any pullback?
One second. In which place are you asking?
There is a no pullback actually. There is no pullback. It was creating equal losses.
Okay.
Market is come down straightly actually. So there is a no pullback.
Okay.
No issues. Okay, as per your, this is the first pullback. It was mitigated. This will be breakout structure. So this is the change of character. Yes. Okay, change of character. Again, lower low was broken here. Yes. So this is the investment was perfect. After breakout, so this investment was perfect. Market again came down. Lower low was broken. The first pullback is mitigated. Breakout structure. This is change of character. Yes. This is change of character. But as present, it is investment. Again, we have a pullback here. So this will be change of character level. Again, lower low investment. Breakout structure was shifted. It was confirmed breakout structure. So this is the change of character. It was shifted here to here. Okay. Okay, after breakout, there is any pullback. So actually, here is the investment level. Actually, see what is happening here. Market went upside. Yes, major candle lower sweep. Sweep. Yes, here came down. Again, moving
Okay.
upside, come down. So here is the first pullback. It was mitigated here. It was
Okay.
mitigated. So after change of character, the first pullback is there. It was mitigated. So breakout structure was happen or not? Break with the body or not? Yeah, so breakout structure was happened. Here is the change of character. Here is the investment level. So again, this is breakout structure level. Okay. So it almost right. Just you miss some fullbacks only. So everything is good. Good.
Okay.
That's a
I
good
will
thing.
practice.
Okay, okay, no issue. Today we can discuss about fair value gap. Do you know anything about the fair value gap?
Oh, yeah. The gap between first and third time.
Again, please. Again, do you know anything about fair value gap? I didn't listen to you.
Yeah. The gap between first candle of high and third candle of low.
Yeah, yeah. So this is basically three candlestick pattern. Okay, we need three candles to create the fair value gap. For example, we have a gap like this. Yes, I have a gap like this. So this is the first candle. This is the second candle. This is the third candle. We have three candles. First candle high was here. If you have a wick is our high. If there is a no wick, the body is our high. Yes, and third candle low. So we can take this between these two, and we have a gap here. So this gap is we can call it as a fair value gap. That means it's
Okay.
the wicks are not overlapping here. Yes, wicks is not overlapping. It is creating something gap here. So why
Okay.
this gap was created? Why this gap is created? What is the reason behind it? So basically, what is happened? There is, huh? What?
Imbalance.
Yeah. Imbalance. Your voice is low today. So sellers or
Oh,
buyers is there. The both have a transaction. Yes. If there is a seller, that means there is a buyer. There is a buyer, that means there is a sellers. Yes. So both are
okay.
having. So after that, so they are have a mutual transaction. So market will be balanced in one time.
Okay.
So for example, basically before going to that, market will move by the big players, okay, banks, okay,
Okay.
and hedge funds, and big play, hedge funds and banks and institutions. These people will move market up and downside. Okay. So,
Okay.
so if there is a, for example, even so if there is a one second.
Okay.
Even if you invest 1 crore, even you invest 1 crore into this market, doesn't make any sense to the market. Okay. And
Okay.
so people who are moving the market, these big people. So if you want,
Yes.
there's the simple thing. The big people, these big people are like a shark. They're think shark. So if you go opposite to them, what will happen? You will be killed. That means you will be lost.
Yes.
So we have to go from behind them. Yes.
Oh,
So we how
okay.
can we know, how can we know they are moving this side or this side? How can we know this, which way they are moving? So that is indicating this gap. So when market
Oh,
there is a
okay.
there are sellers and buyers. Yes, suddenly one party, any party, buyers or sellers. For example, this is bullish momentum. Yes, so this is bullish
Yes.
momentum. So buyers are they take the control of the market. So when
Okay.
market strongly enter the buyers, in this situation, there is no space to enter the sellers. Market not giving the sellers to enter. Even it was enter, that is not that much strong. Yes, that was entirely partially.
Yes.
See, this is indicating sellers. This is indicating sellers. Yes.
Yes.
So they are not. There is no space to enter that much. Okay, that's why we can call it this is as a imbalance also. Okay, we
Oh,
can call it as a
okay. Okay.
imbalance. There is an imbalance between sellers and buyers. So this gap is created. That means from here the strong buyers are enter. This is indicating strongness. This gap is giving strongness. So after some time market will come mitigated, make it mitigated and make it balanced. Market will move ups and downside. Okay. This is basic theory.
Okay.
So why the gap will be reacted more than anything? Why this gap is powerful? So I will ask you one question. For example,
Okay.
there is any online or offline doesn't matter. You are looking for buy a mobile for 10K. Okay,
Okay.
the phone price will be 10K. So maybe for this Diwali, it is offer. There is a Diwali offer. There is a offer. This mobile
Okay.
will getting you by 8K. So which price you will buy? 10K or 8K?
8K.
Why? This is fair price. Yes, because you are a
Yes.
buyer. So even 9.5K is okay because less than 10,000. 9K is
10K.
okay because then less than of 10K. Every time you are not getting 8K.
Yes.
Even if you get this one, this is fair. Fair price for you.
Yeah.
So buyers and sellers. See, sellers is upside, buyers are downside. So always
Okay.
sellers try to sell at a high price. High price.
Yes.
It is not possible. Always buyers buy to at low price, 8K. It is not possible every time.
Yes.
Even you get 9.5, that is good, okay? Not a possible. So that means what? The fair value gap means this is fair price. Okay, this is fair price. Okay. So when you get the
Okay.
fair price, that means what? For example, this is fair value. For example, they are trying to sell from here, but middle there is a fair value gap. That means what? Fair price. So that's why market will reverse from here. So maybe you have a fair value gap here. Maybe it will reverse from here. Okay.
Okay.
That is the
Okay.
reason behind it will react this gap. Okay. This
Okay.
is just theory. Theory doesn't make any trade. Just we have to know because, for
Okay.
example, market move is
Okay.
here. This is the lowest price. This is the highest price. Okay, here is the one gap. So just imagine. This will be nine triple
Okay.
nine. This will be fair price. No. 10K is
No.
there. Do you get this is fair price? No. At least you have to
No.
go
No.
9.5. This is fair price. Yes. So that's why
Yes.
if there is any
Yes.
fair value gap like 8K or any K, market will come and react from here. It will move. Just like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Is
So
my
now
voice is audible?
yes. Not clear. It's clear.
Okay. Okay.
See, basically we have a basically in SMC the people don't use that much fair value gaps actually. Yes, no one can use that much actually, but
Yeah.
we can read the market with gaps total. Today I will show you that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
basically we are going to use four type of gaps. Okay, this is
Four
one.
types.
Four
Okay.
types. Okay, this is fair value gap. We can call it FvG. FvG. Okay,
Okay.
shortcut
Okay.
we can. Okay. I will draw some pictures. Okay, try to find the similarities between the pictures. Okay.
Okay.
So size doesn't matter. Even it was
Hmm.
not
Okay.
equal, not equal. Leave it. Just drawing is big,
Okay.
big,
Okay.
big thing every time. Okay, let's see. Uh, I draw here three type of gaps. See, this is the first candle high. Yes, this is the first candle high.
Yes.
Third candle low. Here is the third candle low. Between we have a gap. So we can
Yes.
take this whole area as a gap. Fair value gap.
FvG.
First candle high
Okay.
was here. Third candle low was here. You can take this whole area as a fair value gap. First candle, third candle high.
FvG.
See here, what is the
Yes.
difference we are seeing? In this
Uh,
in this picture we have a three bullish candles. In this picture we
yes.
have a one
One bearish,
big,
two bullish.
इसमें in this picture we have two bearish. So what is the difference?
Yes.
Really it is fair value gap or not? Color make any sense?
Uh,
No.
fa
Color doesn't matter.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
color doesn't
Okay.
matter. Even it's a two bearish, one bullish doesn't matter.
Oh,
See, even it's a three
okay.
candle is same doesn't matter. So, which
Okay.
is the middle candle is there? The middle candle color will decide which gap it is. If there is a bullish
Oh,
candle, this is bullish gap. If there is a bearish candle, that is bearish gap. Otherwise, color doesn't make any sense. So this is fair value
okay.
gap. Okay. Second thing
Okay.
you have to see
Okay.
here. This gap size is something big. It is little bit less. It is very small. So it make any sense
Okay.
that big one is working strongly, small one is not going to work like that? No.
Okay.
Gap size also doesn't matter.
Oh,
Color
okay.
and size doesn't matter. Okay. These
Okay.
two things is
Okay.
not matter. And one more point is if there any 50% level. Okay, in the gap size we have a 50% level. Okay, gap size in the gap
Yes.
size, see, this is the gap size we have a 50% level. There is a gap in gap size we have a 50% level. In this
Okay.
50% level, this 50% level is very important. We have a three levels here. See, this is first one, this is middle one, this is the lower one. Yes, we have a
Yes.
three levels
Yes.
from this gap. So below, if market close above the 50% level, that is good confirmation. If market close below the 50%, it will little bit low probability. That's it. Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So what is the difference you find between these three pictures? Do you find any similarities? Let me discuss. Okay.
Mm,
See, this is the
okay.
first candle. This is the second candle. This is the third candle. Yes. So in
Yes.
this second candle high was break with the wick. This
Yes.
second candle high was break with a wick. This second candle high was break with a wick. Okay. That
Okay.
is a
Okay.
similarity I draw. So when market break the second candle high with wick like this, we can call it as a FvG. Okay. If body breaks, what we'll call we can discuss. Okay. FvG. For
Okay.
suppose here see it is not break. It is not break. There is a no wick. This is inside candle. Yes. This
Yes.
inside. Inside candle we are not take for the structure, but either it
Okay.
is inside candle or either it was break with a wick, doesn't matter, we can take as a this is FvG. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for fair value gap we can take inside candle also. Okay, that is a remember
Okay.
point.
Okay.
Don't confuse.
Okay.
And so now what is the so now you know the fair value gap, how it will react, how it work actually. What is the character of this fair value gap? So it will attract like a magnet. It will repose like a
Yes.
rocket.
Okay.
So what does it mean by that? So when you see fair value gap in the market, just remember one point thing. Fair value gap need mitigation. That means the gap will be mitigated. After
Yes.
mitigation only. Mitigation means what? Touch.
Touch.
It will with body like this up only inside the gap, or like wick like this, like this doesn't matter. It's mitigation means mitigation. Okay.
Okay.
Where it was
Yes.
closing
Okay.
doesn't matter. We can discuss that is later deeply. Just it's a basic
Okay.
theory. Only okay. After mitigation only we
Okay.
are looking for the trade. For sometimes not
Okay.
immediate. For some time not immediately. Not need to multiple candles also is possible. After so
Oh,
long time
okay.
also, after long time also it is possible. So just need
Okay.
mitigation. After mitigation only we are looking for the trade. Otherwise we are not. So sometime what will
Okay.
happen? This candle is reacting from this 50%. It will close as a green candle also.
Oh, okay.
This candle. More than these three situations you will not get anything. Okay.
Okay.
This is the fair value gap. Okay. Fair value gap means what?
Okay.
Second candle high was broke with the wick or not, even not broken. Doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
We can call it fair value gap. Fair value gap need mitigation. After mitigation only,
Mitigation.
we are look for the trades. That's it.
Okay.
Any doubts? Can I go for another one? Move.
Yeah. No
Yeah.
doubt.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay. Are able to understand my English?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. This is breakaway gap. Okay. We can
Yeah.
call it
Okay. Okay.
BAG. Shortcut bag. Okay.
Okay.
FvG. This is BH.
Yes, many video breakaway gap in your video,
Yes, yes. I lot of time I say that
but I
breakaway
don't
gap.
know
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
how
No, I
we
am not
find.
because I didn't discuss about it
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
in YouTube videos. See, easily you can find the difference. What is the difference between the fair value gap and breakaway gap? Gap is gap. Everywhere is the gap
Okay.
is same. The 50% level is same. Any gap is doesn't matter. Same size. Okay. So what is
Okay.
happen?
Okay.
What is happening here? See, if you see this is the first, second, third. Second candle high was
Okay.
break. How it was breaking? Breaking with the body.
Body.
Yes, that's it. Second candle was breaking with the body. So what is the meaning by
Oh.
break? Break away gap. If second candle high
Oh.
was
Okay.
break with the
Okay.
body, we can call it as a break away gap. So what is the difference between FvG
Oh.
and
Okay.
BAG? So how it is
If
work?
break with break fair
Body,
value gap,
body. Break with the body with that is breakaway gap. BH.
breakaway gap. Okay.
So what is the difference? What is the difference between these two things? How it works? That is important.
Uh.
Yes. So now see,
Okay.
when you see the BAG in the market, that is indication of
Okay.
continuation. The most of the time,
Oh.
not I am not saying every time. Okay. Most of the time. That means if it is a bullish candle, it is a bullish gap. That means you can get a next candle as a green candle.
Bully. Okay.
Bullish candle. Bullish candle. Okay,
Okay.
sometime if you get a red candle, just imagine there is possibilities, lot of possibilities there. Where you get this red
Hmm.
candle also, we can discuss further next classes. Okay. Some
Okay.
suppose you get a red candle here. You have a red candle here, but this is not mitigated our gap. It is a gap. It is not
Yes.
mitigated. Still it is not mitigated. You can go for call
Bullish
option.
green candle.
If it is
Okay.
if it is mitigated here, it's okay. It's a good confirmation. Still, you can go for. So that means what?
Okay.
If it is mitigated or not unmitigated, still we are looking for the trade. Most of the time, it will move.
Okay.
Next candle is green candle. For suppose even you get a red candle, it is mitigated or not mitigated doesn't make any sense. We can go for the option. Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And at one place we need mitigation. The breakaway gap also compulsory need the mitigation. Where we need that mitigation? See, for example, here is any swing. Just swing high, okay? In bullish mode, swing high.
Okay.
It touch with the wick or body doesn't matter. Wick or body doesn't matter. When market mitigate any swing high, swing lows, in that situation we need compulsory mitigation. After mitigation only, can take call option.
Okay.
For suppose here is a target. This green line is target.
Hmm.
So this is also breakout
Okay.
gap. This is also breakout gap. Yes.
Yes.
So if you get a red candle from here, for example, you have a red candle here. It is not mitigated. Still, you can go for it. Call option now. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it. Breakout gap means what? Break with the second candle high with the body. It most of the time it will move continuously. Okay. If suppose it was
Okay.
retrace, after retracement also you can go for it directly same direction.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Clear.
Hmm. I think this is new to you.
Yes.
This one. This is also new to you.
Oh,
Overlapping.
overlapping
Yeah.
gap.
So any color change
Okay.
level in price action there is a color change level. Yes. What is the meaning by color change level?
Yes.
That is a green candle. If it is turned as a red, that is the color change level. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So any just simple thing resistance and support. We are drawing support and resistance. Where I draw the level
Okay.
exactly at the body level, not wick level. Just observe I level draw the body level. Okay. After some time market is
Okay.
moving upside. For suppose how it was break this level. The body level was break with not body. Break with the gap.
Gap.
Okay. It doesn't make any sense. It is BAG or FvG doesn't make any sense. Anything is okay. When you are looking for the trades
Hmm.
only, that time only it will we can take as a fair value gap, breakout gap. Otherwise, there is any gap is gap. Okay.
Okay.
See here, there is a level above. There is a gap. Below there is a gap. That means the body level upside and downside both side have a gap. That means it's overlapping the both side. Yes.
Oh, yes.
But we are not taking the whole body, whole gap. Just below the body level, you have a gap here. Yes.
Yes.
Below this body level, you have taken. This is we can call it as a overlapping gap. Okay, not
Okay.
above the gap,
Okay.
not above the gap. Just
Okay.
for this is the resistance below the resistance.
Yes.
So
Below
support
the
is there.
resistance.
Support is there above the support level. Simple.
Above the. Okay.
Just support level, just okay. So how it is work?
Okay.
What is the use of this overlapping? So most of the time, sometime, not most of the, sometime in the market, the support and resistance also will work after breakouts. For example, it was breakout after some time, it was retest here. There are a lot of people try to buy from it. It will work also sometime. What is the reason behind
Okay.
it? This overlapping gap. If
Okay.
market reacting from this overlapping gap, it is reverse from here, that is right reversal. This is one our reversal zone only. I am not saying if candle close here take reversal. I said for fair value gap, I said for breakout gap, but not for overlapping. Yes, I said in future
Yes.
how to trade with that. Okay, that is the chances
Okay.
to market will reverse from here. That is our reversal area. One
Oh.
kind of reversal
Okay.
area will be okay. And see, there is one
Okay.
more situation. This is what is happening. This gap is totally below the body level. Yes,
Below the. Yes.
below the body level. So this is high probability. When you don't have this kind of situation, you can take this also overlapping. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
but it has to be next to the this level, not here somewhere. If you have a gap here, this is not we can
Okay.
call it as a
Okay.
overlapping. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm. What is this?
Manipulation gap.
Yeah, any gap is there. Just it's a breakout gap or fair value gap doesn't make any sense. Gap is gap. Okay.
Okay.
See, there is a gap.
Yes.
There is a gap. It was mitigated here. Okay, it was
Okay.
mitigated.
Okay.
After mitigated, it was moving upside. After immediately, or sometime it was coming downside. See, there is some gap
Okay.
is already left. After mitigation, also there is some gap is there. Yes, here is
Yes.
some gap is there. Okay, so for suppose market is close in here, it was reacting 50% level. So can I take for call option from here?
Um, I don't know.
Okay, no. So why in price action there is any level multiple times it mitigate that is strong. Yes,
Okay.
but in SMC what is happen if there is any gap is there, if it is mitigated
Yes.
by 1 point also, 1 pip pulse. So it has already
Okay.
mitigated. Once it mitigated, that means it is
Yes.
weak. Okay,
Weak. Yes.
that's weak. So after mitigation, if you have any gap here, any gap is left here, so this gap is very, we can call it as a manipulation gap. When I say the
Oh,
manipulation
okay.
means, when I say the manipulation means, that is weak
Continuation.
gap. That is weak gap. Just
Okay.
okay. I am saying there is a
Okay.
lot of, lot of manipulation gaps. We can discuss further that. Okay. There is a,
Okay.
okay, there is a lot of manipulation means weak. That means what? It will try to
Weak.
man. That means it will try to manipulate us. That means maybe one candle is move upside sometime. After that, it will break out. Maybe the next candle will
Break.
be break. There is a chances to break. So how we can use
Okay.
this one? How we can
Okay.
use this
This
gap?
one. Okay.
So okay, any gap is there. Okay, any gap doesn't matter, any gap. Okay, after
Okay.
mitigation of this gap, in this gap the lowest point is here. Yes, after reversal,
Yes.
mitigation after reversal, this is the lowest one. If there is a, this is the low, we can take this one. Any lowest point of this in the gap, inside the gap.
Okay.
So this level is very important. We can call it this level as a liquidity level. That means
Oh,
when
okay.
market in future come here, there is a chances reverse and retracement. There is a reverse also. There is a chances which
Okay.
where we can use it. I will tell you. So if this
Okay.
low was inside the gap, that was strong. If it is outside the gap, also we can take. But this is low probability. This is high probability. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. So now let me see. Let me read the market with the gaps. First band,
Okay.
fair value gap means what?
Second candle, I was
Uh,
break with
br-
wick,
Wick or not wick?
not
Okay.
wick.
And how to
Ah,
trade? How
yes.
to trade? How to trade with the gap? Compulsory. We need mitigation.
Yes.
Breakout gap means what? How to trade?
Close with body.
Okay. Most of the
Okay.
time, take the direct trade
Yes.
or after
If
retracement.
retest mean more probability.
Hmm. So overlapping means it will at creating SNR levels. Yes.
Yes.
Manipulation gap is there is any gap is left after mitigation. That is gap.
Yeah.
So any gap is
Okay.
there after mitigation. The lowest point will be liquidity. Any gap is there after
Yes.
mitigation. The highest point will be liquidity.
Okay.
These all these things we can discuss in the market. Let's
Okay.
check. Just I am not see any structure. Or doesn't matter any structure. Without structure, I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Just you
Okay.
can see just up and down side both side I will show you. Okay. From here, let's see
Okay.
how it is powerful. You are able to understand now maybe. What is this gap?
Breakaway gap.
Yes, breakout gap. Just see, look, always look for the middle candle. After middle candle, if it is
Yes.
break with the body, breakout gap. It is break with the wick, the fair value gap. That's it.
Fair value gap. Okay.
So it's the breakout gap. That means what? Next candle most of the time continue. It was continue or
Call.
not?
Continuation.
Yeah, it was happen.
Continuation.
Yeah, it's happened. You
Yes.
win here. So this is see, it was mitigated.
Yeah.
One point is mitigated. After mitigation, we can take this level as a what? What?
Manipulation. Manipulation.
Liquidity. Yes, that is a liquidity
Liquidity.
level.
Manipulation gap.
Below, if we have any gap, that is manipulation. We are not going to use. See,
Oh,
even
okay.
even it was close here, not reversal. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Yes.
we are not using to use this one. Okay. First one is happen.
Okay.
Okay. Let's check what is this gap.
FvG.
So how to trade with the FvG?
Mitigation.
We need mitigation, but not market come here, but still it is moving upside. Okay.
Yes.
Next. Again, what is this gap?
FvG.
But it not mitigated here. Yes. So
Yes.
it is moving upside. See, here is
Okay.
the breakaway gap. Okay.
Ah,
What is this?
yes.
Okay. So why it failed? It was mitigated here. It was failed. Why? See, simple. Market is mitigated swing high.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
After mitigation of the
Okay.
market, we need mitigation.
Yes.
So If you take trade here, loss. Okay, but you are not going to
Yes.
lose in future because there is a logic. We are not going to take trade action
Okay.
here. So okay, just
Okay.
imagine it is a loss. Okay, just imagine it is
Yes.
loss. Okay, no issues. There is a
Yes.
extreme fair value gap is there. It was mitigated. Market is reversal. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
After reversal, the lowest point is here. Yes.
Yes.
This will be liquidity level. See, it was reacting on here. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see now. Again, both side we can see. Trend doesn't matter any matter. Now I am showing both sides. See what is this gap? Breakaway gap.
Yes.
First, second, third. See, next candle is move downside.
Yeah.
See, 1 second. There is what is this gap?
Breakaway gap.
So after mitigation, next candle is move.
Yes.
So see, it was mitigated. The highest point is what? This will be what? Liquidity level. Yes.
Liquid level.
Okay.
Yes.
Above there is a gap is there. So we are not going to use this gap. This will be our manipulation gap. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
See. There is a no gap still. There is a no gaps is created. See. So what is happening here? This is fair value gap. Yes.
Yes.
How to trade with the fair value gap? After mitigation.
Mitigation.
So this candle is mitigated. Next candle is moved downside.
Yes.
After mitigation,
Okay.
the highest point will be what?
Liquidity.
Yeah, liquidity is happened. Liquidity,
Mm.
yes. Okay. See, what is this gap? Fair value gap.
FvG.
But
FvG.
not mitigated. So what is this gap?
Yes.
Fair value gap. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
It was mitigated. It was failure. Next, it was moving downside. So just we
Yes.
are
Okay.
seeing both side, up and downside. Just I see upside and downside, upside and downside. Easily you
Yes.
get 80%. I
Yeah.
can in a structure to sorry, can I 1 second.
Without structure.
Without analyzing, nothing we are seeing, just see the gaps.
Yeah.
Gaps is that much strong. So where is the overlapping gap? For example,
Overlapping.
so this is a support level. If you draw,
Mm.
always take the reverse level. So see, this will be overlapping gap. Yes.
Yes.
One I will show perfect example if there is anywhere. Okay, and second, see is here. Here is a support level. Color change level. Yes.
Mm. Okay.
Basically, this is fair value gap. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Remaining one thing for overlapping gap, even it was mitigated. Somewhere it was mitigated. After mitigation, also we can take if you drag like this above the support level will be what overlapping. Yes.
Overlapping. Yes.
See, it was close exactly overlapping. That's why one candle is reverse here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. See, any
Okay.
support level. Here is a support level. If you drag like this,
Yes.
there is a no
Okay.
overlap. Above there is a gap. What I say? Even above there is a
Above.
gap. Immediately next to that, yes. The immediately there next to that level. So this is also what
Yeah.
overlapping level. See,
Overlapping. Okay.
it was mitigated, but reversing. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So any level you can take. It is working or not. How much is strong? We just without seeing anything, anywhere you can take. See what is happening. What is this
Oh,
gap? Breakaway gap. Yes.
breakaway gap.
Next candle is moving upside. Yes. Next
Yes.
what? Fair
Yes.
value
Yes.
gap. It was mitigated. Next candle is moving upside. Yes.
Yes.
Anywhere you can take. So see what is happening here. What is this gap? It is fair value gap, not mitigated. What is this gap?
Okay.
Basically, it is a breakaway gap. Yes, overlapping and
Yes.
breakaway gap. Both can. Next candle is moving downside. See what is this gap? This is breakaway gap. So next candle is moving upside. Yes.
Yes.
Anywhere you can take the market. See what is this gap? It is fair value gap. Third situation.
Fairway
It
gap. Yeah.
was mitigated. Moving upside. Yes.
Yes.
See, this is okay. I will show you Indian market also. That is work not for only binary. See anything. I open
Okay.
the randomly. See what is this breakout gap? Next candle is
Nifty.
moving downside.
Okay.
This is breakout gap. Next candle is moving downside. Yes.
Yes.
After mitigation, this
Yeah.
candle was moving downside. So breakout gap. Even it not mitigated, next candle is moving downside. It is breakout gap. Next candle is moving downside. So breakover gap it moving on it kind is moving downside. Yes. See it's a breakover gap. It was
Yes.
mitigated moving upside. Breakover gap moving upside. Anywhere, just I open
Continue.
the randomly. Yes. Just random. I am
Yes.
not seeing anything. See you have this is the
Oh,
live market. This is breakover gap
yeah.
moving downside. This is breakover gap moving downside. It's a breakover gap without mitigation moving downside. See this gap was mitigated. The market is reversing.
Yeah.
So this knowledge is for real. You can apply everywhere. See, I will show you in the Bitcoin also. Okay, 1 minute is not good.
Okay.
Any time frame also doesn't make any sense.
Mm.
See what breakover gap, next candle moving upside. Breakover gap, next candle moving upside. Yes. So breakover
Yes.
gap. See, it was not mitigated. Still, the candle is moving. See, this is running
Continuation.
candle. This is a running candle.
Yeah.
See, without mitigation also, it was moving upside. Yes. See,
Yeah.
it is a fair value gap. It was mitigated and reverse. It is a breakaway gap. Next candle is moving downside. It is a fair value gap, not mitigated. See everywhere. This is a fair value gap.
Yes.
This was mitigated, closing downside. I am not seeing anything. I am not. I don't know what is the trend. I don't know what is liquidity. Where is the liquidity? I am not doing anything. Yes.
Yes.
So that much powerful these gaps. No one knows.
Oh, okay.
I,
Yes.
I am seeing any market. This is live. Yes. Nifty also live. Uh, you are seeing in forex currency pairs. Bitcoin.
Oh,
Indian market, you can apply anywhere. You can do scalping also
okay.
any market. You ask the question, sir. Can you teach for the forex? So now you can do anywhere. Not in forex.
Oh, okay.
That okay. That is not.
Very
I am not.
clear.
I am teaching for first day. I say that if you understand the market, you can trade anywhere, any market. Yes, that is my motto.
Okay.
So that is I will teach you like that only. Okay. Not okay. I will tell
Okay.
the strategy for binary, but you can read any market. I will show you that. Okay. Further classes you will understand.
Okay.
This is basic
Yes.
theory about the gaps. This is very basic theory. You can go more
Okay.
advanced. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts?
Okay. No doubt. Clear.
So I will learn something new.
Yeah. Everything is new.
Okay. Do practice and observe. Practice means what?
Sure.
Just not meaning drawing gaps is just second work, second 1 minute work. That is not thing. You really draw.
Okay.
So you draw some breakout gap is really moving or not. This is saw fair value gap is really working or not. Draw some overlapping gap it is
Okay.
working or not. So observe it. Okay. Observation is very important.
Okay.
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 See, there is a
Yes.
support level. It was broken. So there is a basically gap
Okay.
is there. Below the gap will be overlapping. Yes. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. Don't complicate it. Make it simple and do it
Okay.
simple way. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day. Meet tomorrow.
Okay.
Do
Thank you so
practice.
much.
After
Thank you.
I will
Thank
I
you.
will send the video. Practice. We will meet
Okay.
tomorrow. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.